Hey guys, what's up? Jonathan here from JC's iPod Touch Help, and I'm wishing you guys a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. This is only one of the things I got for Christmas. You know, the white iPod Touch 4th generation. I just got the 8 GB. Later I will be posting a video on what all I got, so I want you guys to put comments down, in the description box / comment box on what all you guys got, so yeah, I'm interested in that kind of stuff. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into this. I had an excellent Christmas, so I hope you guys did too. Let's see, I have no clue how we're going to do this. There we go. And I'm filming this video with my new iPhone 4S. So there we go, that peels off. Set that to the side. I guess this just lifts up. Okay, there is the beautiful iPod. Set that to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Designed by Apple in California.
Mom, where's it at again?
You of course have your fingertips on top. Fingertips / quick start guide. Some stuff about the product information guide, and of course your very famous Apple stickers that comes with all of your Apple products. Okay, and of course below those you will find your iPod charging cord / syncing cord. And of course you have your white Apple earbuds. Those of course come with everything else also. So pretty much your standards. Okay, we'll stuff all that back in there. Close that. Go ahead and take that tape off. Okay, there's that. Alright, I guess you gotta peel that off. Okay, there's the iPod. Okay, I have no clue how to get this off. Okay, it's taped on the back. I didn't see that. My bad. I feel like a noob now. So yeah, you gotta peel the tape off. Then there you go, it just comes right out. Okay, finally, I got all that off. I feel like a retard. Finally got all that off, and then that just comes off with the whole protector for the screen. And we'll go ahead and do the first boot up and everything. Try to focus in for you guys. See, there you go. You guys can see the white iPhone. Yeah, I like the white on the iPods and iPhones, so yeah. It's going to be sort of confusing unless I look at the back and the top of the front, because the iPod 4G just has the the front-facing camera, and the iPhone 4S has the front-facing camera as well, but it also has the speaker, because it's of course a phone. So I am not Japanese, so I will go ahead and configure that setting. There you go, English. Next, country. Scroll all the way down. Okay, there we are, guys. United States. Next, enable, yeah, we'll go ahead and enable location services. Next. Okay, first one is mine. I don't want you guys to see my password, so I'll go ahead and put this in from the side. It's joining right now. Sorry, it's taking a little while. Hold on. I may have spelled it wrong. Join. There we go. Sorry about that. I misspelled the password by one letter. Okay, there we go. Verified the router. Next. And it is activating. We'll just go ahead and set up as a new iPod Touch. Sign in with an Apple ID. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a safe and very Merry Christmas. Do the usual, comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace, guys.